shit. You know what? Is that a fledgling? Or is it just a... Hi, buddy. Oh, you're kidding me. I think this is one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. Oh, I wonder if it's trying to get their babies. Oh,
chances are.
Hi.
Sit.
Wow. Is this seriously happening?
He's just sitting there.
Rory. The birds are totally... Okay, whoever gets to watch this with us is lucky.
I really don't know where I stuck my phone.
You don't know where your phone is?
I must have. I know I shoved it in here somewhere.
Oh my gosh, those birds are hitting him hard, or her, or him, or her
Hey,
hard.
Siri.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Is that a young one? Is there a reason it's just sitting there? Because these birds are like...
struggled to get onto it.
Can you believe it? I can't believe this.
Cicely,
I wonder if it's Dad
stay. Come.
on Father's Day. Because when Dad passed, a red tail flew over my studio. Is that you, Dad?
With all those little ones pestering them?
Yeah. That's crazy. Do you think if we come out there, he's gonna... Oh.
Sis, come. Cicely, come.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing.